Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that a seemingly harmless speck of light is actually a massive space rock hurtling towards Earth. Did you know that some asteroids are so valuable they contain precious metals worth more than our entire global economy? But what happens when these cosmic treasures become planetary threats? Today, we're diving into the chilling reality of killer asteroids, and in particular, the infamous Apophis. Named after the Egyptian god of chaos, Apophis has been creating a storm of excitement and fear among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Why is this asteroid gaining so much attention? Buckle up as we explore the potential of this massive space rock in its staggering journey towards Earth. The first thing to know about Apophis is its discovery. Apophis was first detected by astronomers on June 19, 2004. It quickly became a focal point of interest for its size and proximity to Earth. Named after the Greek mythological demon Apophis, it was aptly given a name that means chaos and destruction, symbolizing its menacing potential. This asteroid measures approximately 340 meters across, which is about the size of 3.5 football fields. Its immense size and the speed at which it travels through space make it a formidable object. Apophis orbits the Sun, and its trajectory brings it alarmingly close to Earth every so often. The initial calculations made in 2004 showed a slight chance of a collision with Earth in 2029, which understandably caused quite a stir. Even though further studies have since ruled out this impact scenario for 2029, Apophis is still labeled as a near-Earth object, meaning it passes close enough to our planet to warrant close monitoring. Its next notable approach is expected in April 2029, when it will come within 19,000 miles of Earth, closer than many of our satellites. The excitement and concern surrounding Apophis come from its potential to cause significant damage if it were to collide with Earth. The energy released upon impact could be equivalent to a large-scale nuclear explosion, with devastating effects on a regional scale. The history and characteristics of Apophis make it a fascinating and terrifying subject for astronomers and the general public. Its next close approach gives scientists a unique opportunity to study it up close, enhancing our understanding of these celestial objects and possibly preparing us for future encounters with other space threats. As we continue to track Apophis and other near-Earth objects, it becomes clear that understanding these space rocks is crucial for our planetary defense. The second practice involves exploring past predictions and major concerns of Apophis hitting Earth. Back when Apophis was first discovered in 2004, initial predictions suggested there was a 2.7% chance of it impacting Earth in 2029. This sparked a significant amount of anxiety and led to extensive research and debate among scientists. Experts like Donald Yeomans from NASA, a Near-Earth Object Program Office, were vocal, highlighting that while the probability was low, the potential consequences of an impact were significant enough to warrant serious attention. The thought of an asteroid of Apophis size colliding with Earth caused a flurry of assessments to better understand the risks. Professor Alan Harris, a renowned asteroid researcher, mentioned in early interviews that even though the likelihood of a collision was small, the precision in predicting such events needed improvement due to the chaotic nature of space environments. Early on, the media amplified the fear, with headlines often suggesting a doomsday scenario, which led to public worry. However, as tracking technology improved and more observations were made, scientists were able to refine their predictions and ruled out the possibility of a 2029 impact, though the 2036 flyby still presented uncertainties at the time. This period of uncertainty stressed the importance of continuous monitoring and international collaboration in space research. The initial reaction to Apophis and the evolution of our understanding of its trajectory underscore the dynamic nature of asteroid prediction and the need for robust planetary defense strategies. The third practice involves discussing recent developments and why Apophis is back in the news. In the years following its initial discovery, Apophis continued to be a subject of intense study. Fast forward to recent years, astronomers have been closely monitoring Apophis using advanced technologies, and new data has emerged that reignited interest in this space rock. In 2021, A significant discovery was made when Apophis made a close approach to Earth, allowing scientists to gather more precise measurements of its orbit and characteristics. Utilizing state-of-the-art radar imaging and ground-based telescopes, researchers were able to refine Apophis' trajectory with unprecedented accuracy. This enhanced data ruled out any possibility of impact in 2036, providing a sigh of relief to the global community. However, new findings have also revealed that the asteroid's path is slightly altered by a phenomenon known as the Yarkovsky effect. This effect, caused by the uneven heating of the asteroid's surface, creates a small but consistent force that can change its orbit over time. While this may sound alarming, it has actually been a crucial factor in improving our predictive models. The Yarkovsky effect has highlighted the importance of considering non-gravitational forces in asteroid tracking, ensuring that our predictions are as accurate as possible. Another reason Apophis is back in the spotlight is the potential for future missions. Space agencies like NASA and ESA have expressed interest in sending spacecraft to study Apophis up close during its next approach in 2029. Such a mission could provide invaluable data on the composition and structure of the asteroid, aiding in our broader understanding of near-Earth objects. Moreover, international collaborations are being formed to develop mitigation strategies should any future asteroid pose a real threat. The advancements in technology and the increased global focus on planetary defense underscore the importance of continuous observation and research. The recent developments surrounding Apophis serve as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of space science, keeping us on our toes as we strive to protect our planet from potential cosmic hazards. The threat posed by Apophis, if it were to strike Earth, is one that has both scientists and the public concerned. To understand the specific dangers, we need to break it down into easy-to-understand science. When an asteroid like Apophis, which is about 340 meters wide, hits Earth, it releases a massive amount of energy. This energy is equivalent to hundreds of nuclear bombs going off simultaneously. The immediate impact would create a blast wave that could destroy buildings, roads, and anything in its path within a significant radius. Imagine the shockwave from an explosion, but magnified many times over. That's the level of destruction we could be facing. Now, let's talk about where this impact might occur and its consequences. If Apophis were to hit a densely populated area, the loss of life and infrastructure would be catastrophic. Cities could be flattened, and the death toll could be in the millions. The sheer force of the impact would also create wildfires, as the intense heat ignites flammable materials in the vicinity. These fires could spread rapidly, causing even more damage. If Apophis were to impact the ocean, it wouldn't be any less destructive. The energy released would cause massive tsunamis, with waves potentially reaching hundreds of feet high, obliterating coastal cities and towns. The water displacement would also lead to severe flooding further inland, affecting millions of people and leading to long-term environmental damage. Another aspect to consider is the impact on the global climate. An asteroid strike would throw up enormous amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and lowering global temperatures. This phenomenon, known as an impact winter, could last for months or even years, disrupting agriculture and leading to food shortages worldwide. The lack of sunlight would harm plant life, affecting the entire food chain and leading to a cascading series of ecological disasters. In summary, the threat of Apophis striking Earth is not just a localized event. Its impact would have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just the immediate area of the strike, but the entire planet. This is why continuous monitoring and research are essential. Understanding these threats helps us prepare and develop strategies to mitigate the risks, ensuring that we are better equipped to protect our world from these cosmic dangers. The fourth practice involves exploring past predictions and major concerns of Apophis hitting Earth. Back when Apophis was first discovered in 2004, initial predictions suggested there was a 7% chance of it impacting Earth in 2029. This sparked a significant amount of anxiety and led to extensive research and debate among scientists. Experts like Donald Yeomans from NASA, in Near Earth Object Program Office, were vocal, highlighting that while the probability was low, the potential consequences of an impact were significant enough to warrant serious attention. The thought of an asteroid of Apophis size colliding with Earth caused a flurry of assessments to better understand the risks. Professor Alan Harris, a renowned asteroid researcher, mentioned in early interviews that even though the likelihood of a collision was small, the precision in predicting such events needed improvement due to the chaotic nature of space environments. Early on, the media amplified the fear, with headlines often suggesting a doomsday scenario, which led to public worry. However, as tracking technology improved and more observations were made, scientists were able to refine their predictions and ruled out the possibility of a 2029 impact, though the 2036 fly-by still presented uncertainties at the time. This period of uncertainty stressed the importance of continuous monitoring and international collaboration in space research. The initial reaction to Apophis and the evolution of our understanding of its trajectory underscore the dynamic nature of asteroid prediction and the need for robust planetary defense strategies. The fifth practice involves discussing what's being done to monitor and possibly deflect Apophis, highlighting any cool technology or missions planned. Scientists and space agencies around the world have ramped up their efforts to keep tabs on this asteroid. NASA, for instance, has been using the Goldstone Solar System radar to track Apophis movements with incredible precision. This radar allows scientists to create detailed models of the asteroid's orbit and surface, which helps in understanding its potential threat better. Another piece of remarkable technology being used is the NEOWISE spacecraft, which is specifically designed to hunt for near-Earth objects. By scanning the skies in infrared, NEOWISE can detect and characterize asteroids like Apophis, ensuring that no stone is left unturned. But it's not just about monitoring. There are also plans in place to potentially deflect Apophis if it were to pose a real threat in the future. One of the most exciting missions in this regard is NAS, a Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART. Scheduled for launch soon, DART aims to test our ability to change the trajectory of an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it at high speed. The results of this mission could pave the way for future asteroid deflection strategies, providing a crucial tool in our planetary defense arsenal. The European Space Agency is also contributing to these efforts with its HERA mission. HERA will follow up on the DART mission, surveying the impact site and gathering data to understand how the collision affected the asteroid's path. This collaborative effort between NASA and ESA could prove to be a game-changer in how we deal with potential asteroid threats, offering a blueprint for international cooperation in space. Additionally, ground-based observatories worldwide are working together to keep an eye on Apophis. From the renowned Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico to the Siding Spring Observatory in Australia, astronomers are pooling their resources and expertise to track this asteroid accurately. International collaborations are vital, as they ensure that multiple perspectives and technologies are used to build a comprehensive understanding of Apophis' behavior. In summary, the urgency and excitement surrounding Apophis come from its potential to teach us more about the universe and the very real threat it could pose to our planet. The continuous monitoring and advanced technology used by scientists around the globe highlight our collective effort to safeguard Earth. With each passing day, we learn more about this enigmatic asteroid, inching closer to unlocking the secrets of our celestial neighborhood. The thrill of discovery, mixed with the very human instinct to protect our home, drives these efforts. So, as we keep our eyes on the skies, remember that every new piece of data brings us one step closer to understanding and potentially averting catastrophe. Stay tuned, because the journey of Apophis is far from over. Keep watching our channel for the latest updates on this and other space mysteries. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of killer asteroids, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure.